Hi, I'm Naomi Osaka, and I'm heading from one event to the other in an Uber ride. It depends on my mood. I have like a sad playlist and also a hype playlist. So currently, I would say Like Glue by Sean Paul. I'm really excited for my US Open outfit. I would say that's been in the works for a really long time, so just excited to see it come to life. I'm introverted but extroverted at the same time. So depending on how comfortable I am, I can do like crazy things, but also I can also just sit in a corner and not talk for like hours. Sometimes I'm running on basically nothing and I really need food ASAP. So I'm the type that is in an Uber while ordering Uber Eats to my destination because I need to eat food like to fuel.